Creating and managing 5G MPN networks is hard. But it shouldn't be. 5G MPN should be provided with a click, enabling its resources and setting the stage to receive dynamic services. With 5G features and autonomous network solutions, we can unlock the potential of a connected experience. Things such as quality of service on demand or finding an object with a precision of 30 centimeters are possible. However, this solution can bring more than just features. It can also offer value-added services on top of 5G connectivity. These services will, for instance, improve operational efficiency in a factory, helping them accelerate their digital transformation. This is not the future, this is the present, and Orange, Celfocus, Nearby Computing, Casa, Alipo, and Lenovo performed a proof of concept. Are you curious? Go to the Celfocus website and schedule a slot with one of our specialists.